Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 26th, 2018, and I'm going to be feeding my cucumbers here. I'm going to be giving them some Sea Magic, and I'm also going to be giving them some Epsom organic tomato tone. And now that's a tomato and vegetable food, and that's actually what I mixed in with them. And they seem to be doing very well with it. So it's time to refeed them again. And I also am trying an experiment. I have some of the tender green burpless cucumbers growing in a container. And I'm trying those with the Eco Scraps 555 all-purpose plant food. So I want to see how that does with the ones in the container. And I'm also going to be feeding them the Sea Magic. And so I'm going to show you here how to feed these. Now I got to watch. My tomatoes are over here, so I have to watch where I stand. So here is the stalk of one of my cucumbers. I'm going to pick this one here. This is the easiest one for me to get to with the camera. And you want to take your plant food at least 3 inches away from the stem here. So this particular plant food, the Epsom organic tomato tone, you want to put it 3 inches away. And they do recommend that you wear gloves with this particular product. So I do have my gloves out. Now I'm pushing back some of the grass that we had put down, and I'm going to be re-putting it back after it's fed and watered with the Sea Magic. So we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I have my tomato tone here, and I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of this, and I'm just shaking it around. I'm not getting it close to the stem. I'm just going around here. Go. And I'm also going to be adding a tablespoon of Epsom salt here. So I put a tablespoon of that in. I have a little rake here. Let me just kind of shake this in some. I don't want to damage the root system. Sorry about that. I don't want to damage the root systems. And just going to water this in with the Sea Magic. And I noticed the reason why I'm giving them some Epsom salt is I noticed that this one here, it's getting a little bit of some yellowing in the leaves. So I'm going to give it some Epsom salt to see if it takes it away. I don't think it's anything to worry about. I think it just needs a little bit more food. So I'm giving it some Epsom salt. It should take the yellowing out of the leaves. If the sun isn't out hot and blazing, and it's like early in the morning, you could put your Sea Magic on the leaves too. There's some weeds there I gotta take out. But being that it's in the afternoon and this area starts getting some shade, I don't want to water the leaves. If you water your leaves close to nightfall or when it's not going to dry before the end of the day, you can wind up with powdery mildew and all kinds of issues, and we don't want to do that. So I'm just giving this some more here. And I opted for my little watering can here for this particular task because, for one, it's a tighter space to get in between, and I want to be able to get in between the plants and not break anything. So It's a little bit easier to just mix the Sea Magic up in the 2-gallon watering can and then put it in the little 1/2-gallon watering can and just come and water and feed your stuff. So I'm going to re-put the grass back around. Now the purpose of the grass is, for one, it helps to also feed your plants as it breaks down, but it also helps to keep the moisture in. So I put the Sea Magic, or that's why we put the grass, sorry. That's why we put the grass down around. And it helps keep the root systems cooler. And it continues to give add the organic matter to your soil. So I did just pick a cucumber today. I harvested another one right before I fed these. And I have another one I'm watching. Probably in about 2 days it's going to be ready to come off. So that's how I feed my cucumber plants. And I am still hand pollinating them. We did have a few bees come around. There's some kind of little tiny bee, and they are starting to pollinate them some, but I am still helping them out. So, and you don't have to use the Epsom salt if you don't want to, but I am going to be using it because I'm seeing here we just have a little bit of yellowing here in the leaves, and before it goes too far, I just want to get them some extra food. So the Epsom salt should take care of that. And I'll have links down below for all of the plant foods that I use. And you want to feed your cucumbers with the organic tomato tone, if that's the product that you choose to use. You want to feed them every 2 weeks with that. And you can put it on the same schedule as your Sea Magic. That way then you can feed your plants with the Epsom tomato tone or whatever type of plant food you choose, and then you can feed with the Sea Magic on top of that. Just water your plant food in with the Sea Magic. Your Sea Magic, you can feed that once every 2 to 3 weeks. I usually go every 2 weeks. But that's your choice. I just see the best results feeding it every 2 weeks. So I'm going to continue feeding these here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.